What if I told you that a company on the brink of collapse just secured a billion-dollar lifeline? Stay tuned, and you'll witness the incredible resurrection story that will leave you speechless. You see, the automotive industry is a battlefield, and only the fiercest contenders survive. In this ruthless arena, a once promising challenger found itself on the ropes, gasping for air. Its name, Polestar, the electric vehicle upstart that dared to dream big. When the automobile industry was dominated by gas-guzzling giants, this small Swedish company dared to dream big. Polestar is a name that once lived in the shadows of its parent company, Volvo Cars. Polestar decided to forge her own path, a path paved with innovation, sustainability, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. From its humble beginnings as a high-performance brand, Polestar embarked on a daring mission to create pure, progressive electric vehicles that would redefine the driving experience. With a team of visionaries and a burning desire to revolutionize the industry, they set out to challenge the status quo, one sleek, minimalist design at a time. But like any great story, Polestar's journey was not without its challenges. As the company worked tirelessly to bring its electrifying vision to life, a dark cloud loomed on the horizon. Volvo Cars, once a steadfast supporter and the very company that had given birth to Polestar, had decided to back out from further funding the ambitious electric vehicle venture. The reasons behind Volvo Cars' decision were complex, a tapestry woven from threads of financial uncertainty, shifting priorities, and a growing focus on their core business. As the automotive industry grappled with the effects of a global pandemic and economic headwinds, Volvo Cars found itself in a precarious position, forced to make tough choices to secure its own future. For Polestar, this news was a devastating blow. The company had been relying heavily on the financial backing and resources of its parent company to bring their cutting-edge electric vehicles to market. Suddenly, the rug had been pulled out from under them, leaving their dreams of revolutionizing the automotive industry hanging by a thread. But the team at Polestar was not one to be easily deterred. They understood that their mission transcended mere financial considerations. It was a calling, a quest to reshape the future of mobility and pave the way for a more sustainable tomorrow. With determination burning in their hearts, they refused to surrender, refusing to let this setback derail their vision. As the reality of Volvo Cars' decision sank in, the Polestar team rallied together, united in their resolve to find a solution. They knew that their innovative designs, their cutting-edge technology, and their unwavering commitment to sustainability were too valuable, too important to be abandoned. Meetings were held, strategies were formulated, and a bold plan began to take shape. Polestar would have to forge its own path, separate from the shadows of its parent company, and seek out new sources of funding that would allow them to continue their electrifying mission. With a renewed sense of purpose, the team set out on a quest, a journey that would take them to the doorsteps of some of the world's most discerning investors. They were armed with a vision, a belief that their electric vehicles could not only captivate the hearts and minds of drivers, but also contribute to a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. With this level of determination burning in their hearts, they set out to find a solution, a lifeline that would keep their dreams alive and allow them to continue their quest to revolutionize the automotive industry. Little did they know that their salvation would come in the form of a staggering $1 billion investment, a vote of confidence from some of the world's most discerning investors, from private equity firms and sovereign wealth funds to high-profile celebrities. The financial backing poured in, each investor recognizing the immense potential of Polestar's vision. But it was the involvement of a tech titan, a company whose name has become synonymous with innovation and disruption, that truly turned heads. This behemoth of the digital age saw the immense opportunity in the burgeoning electric vehicle market and recognized Polestar as the perfect partner to help them stake their claim. With this unprecedented influx of capital, Polestar's ambitions soared to new heights. The company could now accelerate its research and development efforts, pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle performance, range, and sustainability. From developing advanced battery chemistries that could double the range of electric vehicles to exploring alternative energy sources like solar and hydrogen, no stone was left unturned in Polestar's quest to create the ultimate sustainable driving experience. But Polestar's commitment to sustainability didn't stop at the powertrain. The company was pioneering the use of sustainable materials in its vehicles, such as recycled plastics and bio-based composites, reducing the environmental impact of automotive manufacturing. Imagine a world where your car not only drives itself, but also communicates with other vehicles and infrastructure, optimizing traffic flow and reducing emissions. Polestar was at the forefront of autonomous driving technology, developing advanced systems that could revolutionize the way we think about transportation. With this game-changing investment, Polestar was poised to expand its reach globally. The company planned to establish production facilities in key markets, bringing its cutting-edge electric vehicles to consumers around the world. But Polestar's impact extended far beyond its own vehicles. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the electric vehicle space, the company was inspiring other automakers to follow suit, accelerating the adoption of sustainable transportation solutions on a global scale. They are on the verge of building a world where the cars we drive not only provide us with the thrill of the open road, but also contribute to a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. A world where the very act of driving becomes a statement of environmental consciousness, a symbol of our commitment to preserving the planet we call home. As the world grappled with the harsh realities of climate change, Polestar's vision cast a beacon of hope, illuminating a path towards a more sustainable tomorrow. With each electric vehicle that rolled off the production line, a new chapter was being written, a chapter that challenged the conventions of the past and dared to dream of a future where innovation and environmental stewardship went hand in hand. But Polestar's story was more than just a tale of technological prowess. It was a testament to the indomitable human spirit, to the power of perseverance in the face of adversity. When the odds seemed stacked against them, when the road ahead appeared insurmountable, the team at Polestar refused to surrender. They dug deep, drew strength from their convictions, and forged ahead, driven by a belief that their vision could change the world. And change the world they did, one electric vehicle at a time. With each mile driven, each battery charged, Polestar was leaving an indelible mark on the automotive landscape, proving that sustainable transportation was not just a lofty ideal, but a tangible reality. As the company's electric vehicles began to grace the roads, a new generation of drivers emerged, a generation that embraced the thrill of the open road while embracing their responsibility to the planet. These were the pioneers, the trailblazers who dared to challenge the status quo, who dared to believe that the future of mobility could be both exhilarating and environmentally conscious. And with each electric vehicle sold, each battery charged, a silent revolution was taking place, a revolution that would echo through the ages, inspiring generations to come to embrace a more sustainable way of life. So, as you sit behind the wheel of your electric Polestar, feeling the instant torque propelling you forward, the wind whipping through your hair, remember that this is more than just a car. This is a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the unwavering pursuit of a better tomorrow. Remember the challenges that Polestar overcame, the obstacles they surmounted, and the unwavering belief that guided them through the darkest of times. And as you glide silently down the road, leaving nothing but a whisper in your wake, know that you are part of something greater, something that will echo through the ages long after the last drop of gasoline has been consumed. This is the beginning of a new era, an era where the thrill of the open road is no longer tainted by the guilt of environmental destruction. This is the era of the electric vehicle, and Polestar is leading the charge, one electrifying mile at a time. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Sure, Polestar's story sounds inspiring, but let's get a bit real. The electric vehicle market has been facing some serious headwinds lately. Sales have been dropping, production costs are soaring, and there's a lot of uncertainty around the future of EVs. It's a fair point, and it's one that the team at Polestar is well aware of. The truth is, the road ahead for electric vehicles is not anywhere smooth. There are challenges to overcome, obstacles to surmount, and a lot of skepticism to confront. So what do you think? Can Polestar defy the odds and emerge as a leader in the electric vehicle revolution? Or will they succumb to the same challenges that have plagued other EV manufacturers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as intrigued by Polestar's story as I am, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next in this electrifying tale. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.